Okay, so in this video, I'll be talking about the point-slope form. Point-slope form. Okay, so what's the formula for point-slope form? Well, the formula for point-slope form is y, the variable, minus y1, which is equivalent to m, the slope of the line, times x minus x1, which is also a point. Okay, I'll explain it with an example. So if we had a line on this graph right here, and that's the line over there, and the slope of this line is 2. Remember, m is the slope, and the slope is 2. And then we had a point on the line, let's say 4, 4, so right there. 4, 4. Let's try to put this into point-slope form. So first thing, leave the first y the way it is. And now subtract y1. Well, what's a y1? This y1 is the 4 right there. So minus 4, which is equivalent to m times this stuff. Well, what's m, or what's the slope? Well, the slope is 2. So 2 times x, leave the x right there, that's how it's supposed to be, minus x1. x1 is right there. That's this 4 over there. So minus 4, and then that's it. This right here is in point-slope form. I'll give you more examples. So I'll give you guys another slope. Let's say this was our next slope. This slope is equivalent to -1. And then the point on this slope, let's say 3, -2. So right there. So that's 3, -2. Let's try to put that into point-slope form. So to put that into point-slope form, let's do it the way we did last time. Y minus, well, what's y2? I mean y1. y1 is this -2. So minus -2, which is equivalent to m. What's m? Well, it's -1 times x minus, what's x1? Well, x1 is 3 right over there. And then we put our end of the parentheses. And we can simplify this. Well, what's y minus -2? Well, that's the same thing as y plus 2, which is equivalent to, well, -1 times x minus 3. Well, that's the same thing as negative x minus 3. And then this right here would be in point-slope form. I'll give you guys some more examples. Okay, we have another line. Let's say from here to there. This line has a slope of 1. The line has a slope of 1. And then a point on the line is right there. And that's 1, 1. Let's try to put that into point-slope form. So let's do it the way we just did. So it'd be y minus, well, what's y1? Well, that's this one over there. That's just 1, which is equivalent to m. m is just 1. So it'd be 1 times x, again, minus 1. And then this would be in point-slope form. There's nothing to simplify. Usually, you can leave it like this, 1 times x minus 1. And you don't have to distribute the 1 into these two numbers. So this would be in point-slope form. It's correct. Oop, oop. Okay, let's go down. This is going to be our last example. let's go. We have a slope of -4. So that's going down really fast. So the slope is -4. Equals -4, and a point on this would be right over here, and we have -3, 2. Let's put this into point slope form. So it'd be y minus, well, what's our y1? Well, that's 2 right over there. Minus 2, which would be equivalent to the slope -4 times x minus x1. What's x1? Well, that's -3 minus -3, and that would be the end of it. Well, let's see. Yes, we can simplify this. What could we simplify it into? Well, it'd be still y minus 2, and it'd still be a -4 right there. But in here, x minus -3, well, that's the same thing as x plus 3. And then this would be your final answer. Thanks for watching, and bye. And make sure to learn about point slope form. Master this, because there's another thing called standard form, and you're going to have to change it from point slope form to standard form. So learn this. So yeah, bye.